It's cheaper to kill male calves than to rear them. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we uncover thought-provoking truths in modern-day farming that has evolved over time. Today, we are diving into a haunting reality that's closely intertwined with dairy farming: the changing fate of male dairy calves. Decades ago, the value placed on cow in Indian culture was unparalleled. Killing a cow, even by accident, was considered a grave sin. If a cow died in one's care, penance for go hatya was performed as an act of remorse. Times have changed. Today it's a harsh reality that male calves are deemed byproduct and often sold for meat. Raising them costs more than what we would ever make from them. It's a hard decision, but economies dictate our choices. It's a paradox of our times. Traditions have evolved and economic pressures have led to a shift in how we view and utilize male calves. Calf traders who facilitate the distribution of male calves are fueling the demand for beef. And therein lies the intricate link between the dairy and beef industries, a connection often overlooked. Consumers who avoid beef for cultural reasons might inadvertently contribute to it by supporting the dairy industry. It's a complex and multifaceted challenge. The evolving dairy industry and shifting traditions have led us to this intricate web of connections. From revered being to economic considerations, the journey of cow in Indian society has undergone a transformation. But what can we do to address this challenge and bring about change? Embracing sustainable practices offers a hope of balanced solution. Embracing dual-purpose breed can be a step towards preserving male calves and achieving economic balance. Organic farming focuses on a harmonious coexistence between humans and animals, ensuring ethical practices. Our choice as consumers drive change. By supporting ethical and sustainable practices, we can reshape the industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover hidden truths and evolving traditions. Let's engage in conversations that inspire change, for every choices we make shapes our world.